Hey, it's Jimmy and Amy. We are back again in our home country, Luxembourg. And for the next 2 hours, we're gonna go on a flavor trip with delicious banana pancakes.
Tangina. SPJI. Hey, I have a question for you. Is a tortoise a turtle?
Huli ka, boy.
I figured. Sige, agad.
Yes. Basbasan niyo naman kami.
Bless us.
Bless us. Ang ina, kung wala yung tigi, paano ba? Good luck sa atin. Good luck sa'yo. Mas kailangan kayo. Meron. Hindi, yun yung sabi niya.
Di ba pa speech lang si ELJ?
I think...
Sabi ko, sino yung kulot dun? Nakakita akong kulot ah.
Hello. Good morning.
Saan kayo kain? Nakakain mo
Wala,
na?
ito. Mamaya pa.
Ito yung day na pinaka ito yung well. Super Mario.
Pag halimbawa, di ba, you made assurances na hindi ko siya check. Para make it perfect. Existing obligation. At you issue the check.
Worst day. Ano, tara? Sige, bye.
Naka-point lang.
Basta ano, on the day.
Any last words?
Awesome bar. By the way, mag-antay tayo. Pumili kayo. Mag-aantay tayo sa maraming tao. Oo, ang team. May drum sa baba. Oo.
Parang mapakalma yun eh. Imbis na puro words na lang kasi yun. Nakikita ko eh. Oo, busi ka lang matulog. Pero after nun, wala.
Any last minute words? Last words?
Ayun mo nga ako. Ito parang hindi shot mo nung... Best day today. Best night mamaya. Pero ano? Kamusta yung ano nyo? REC. Kamusta? REC daw ako. Kamusta yung laro nyo? Ako din ako naka-REC eh. Kompleto na. Checklist na kayo. Hindi na. Kain ko na naman. Ano, hintayin niyo pa ba yung match ko? Susukmo ko na kayo. Hintayin niyo ba? Oo, kayo ni Gilbert. Bonds na kayo? Ay, sino ba kasama niya? Ako naman. Hindi niyo nahintayin yung susunod na batch. Oo, hindi. Sige. Ano bang oras yun? 30 minutes. Parang pa-ready na. Pa-ready na. Pa-ready mo na. Sige, burn niya na.
Follow. Any last words?
Knock nerves.
Parting advice.
See you on the other side.
Hindi na kanya to eh.
Kanina?
Polo.
Polo? Ayun yung vlog ni Polo.
Another day as a bartaker.
Actually, this is a really exciting day kasi last day.
Ay, Gilbert, tayo na. Picture mo muna tayo. Picture mo tayo. Parang bago yung... Ano may last picture? Mayroon may last picture eh. Meron tayo na yung farming. Mas na tayo dito. Dito na kayo. Favorite picture mo kami. Remember, thank you.
Wait, nasa labas.
Never know who's gonna be there, you know? You never know who's gonna go there. Celebrities trying to get in.
Oo, compress daw.
Let's see what's going on in the underground. House of Love, sure. get them on tape.
Oh, mga LMDs na natin. Okay?
Giraffe.
Yeah.
Good luck! Bye-bye!
Oy!
Game.
Oy!
Let's go, Bert. Ah, nakanang puto. Kala ko.
Last one. What is up? Papaiwan mo na lang.
Paiwan ka na lang doon.
Pwede ba yung iiwan? Anong tanong?
Pwede, ay kung hindi, tatakbo ko.
It's a groove. Unang exam ay rev. Tama ba? Unang exam ay rev.
Ang gulo pa ako sa event. Please hope. Ay ma'am, the password is not working.
It's a groove.
Kaya yung binuksan.
Woo! You have to edit that,
I will
wanna
edit.
watch the vlog.
First 10 minutes mukha pa lang ah.
Ay,
Oo naman.
Joke lang.
Kasabay ba sa amin?
Go ahead.
Okay, sige.
matakas siya
Hindi, yun. Hanggang ngayon nakipag-usap na. Yung kailangan mo kasi ibanat dyan. Ay, puta! Kasi nangyari doon. Ganun, binakit ng tatay yung anak.
Pakipot lang ito, magtasakto.
Malayo. Parang alam mo kasi doon, exception sa hierarchy of course, sinabi ko ng compelling reasons. Pero hindi sinabi ko kasi parang may kaso yun, dinakit yung anak, yung tatay, file ng file yung, hindi nakaka-escape ng territorial jurisdiction.
Ayun, tama ko yan. So, for the appeals, it's nationwide. So, hindi kita magkakabul.
Hindi na, parang generally dapat kung saan si defendant. The option of the plaintiff. The other choice of the plaintiff.
He's a like four sides.
One guy from San Beda. Watching ko lang the other day.
No one else.
I heard that. He's a lawyer already, he doesn't need that.
Everyone needs food.
That's jackpot times.
Only that by the way.
Tara, smoke.
It's a groove.
Dami, gago. This area, my God, lahat masarap dito. And, lahat masarap.
It's a groove.
Nag-camera siguro ng gas. Kasi
It's a groove.
This morning?
It's a groove.
like the glass doors at
Picture ka.
It's a groove.